Guys, this is just a friendly reminder how much stuff a beauty influencer gets. So yeah, you can see this is a basket that we get at a DMart or something. This is a very big basket, so it's filled with stuff. अगर मैं packages collect करती, maybe I can get a mountain full of PR packages in front of me. I don't want that. We can say DMart or any mart basket full of stuff that I got in last 30 days, we can say. This is just a friendly reminder. So if you see any influencer using thousands of products, that's the reason, because हमें ये सब free में आता है. So do keep in mind when you watch any haul video or any PR haul video. I'm going to film one. This is the first time I'm doing it like that. I just show you without any sound. I'll just show you that this I got in PR, so I thought I will do it like that. So this is all the stuff that I got, and literally many packages are in mail. So, and without further ado, let's get started. But just wanted to quickly remind you guys that we get a lot of stuff for free. I don't think so we need to shop anything. That's why I'm on a very low buy. I don't buy many things, to be honest, because I am really content. I feel content and don't feel like buying anything, to be honest. So yeah, without further ado, I'm going to show you what are the stuff that you can expect as a influencer in general. I don't like that term, to be honest. Content creator. So this is a stand from which we can film. So this is by Katos. Now Katos Gear Up. Now this, they have sent me a charger, a USB cable, and we have to fix this like this. So yeah, that's stand to keep a phone, we can say. It's a tripod for car videos. देखे होंगे बहुत सारे यूट्यूबर्स कार्स में शूट करते हैं. So again, this is a mix of everything, so I'm going to show you. Let's just be fast. So I have this face serum. This is for acne. This has 2% salicylic acid and vitamin C with anti-acne, with scars removal. And this is by a new brand, Dermistry. So this is a new brand, I think. So another foaming face wash I have. Now guys, foaming face wash मैं ना बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं करती हूँ. लास्ट ईयर जो मुझे PR में रिसीव हुए थे वो भी अभी तक बचे हुए हैं. वैसे फेस वॉश मेरे बचते नहीं हैं. सो जस्ट अ रिमाइंडर. बट फोमिंग फेस वॉश भी अच्छे होते हैं. आई kept them neglected for some reason. Then I get a lot of hair colors, like my drawers are filled with it. So this is by Vegetable. So safe color Vegetable. Organic Elegance. Organic Elegance is the brand name, I guess. So yeah, these are Vegetable safe colors. Then I get a lot of these hair products by Mozi. Now this brand I came to know by the PR agencies itself. मुझे ये ब्रांड के बारे में नहीं पता था. नाउ आई एम ऑब्सेस्ड. लिटरली आज भी मैंने इनका लिव इन कंडीशनर यूज़ किया है. ये उन्होंने मुझे फिर से सेंड किया है. एक्चुअली ऐसा सेट आता है. सो यू गेट द स्टाइलिंग जेल with a live-in conditioner. So styling gel मेरा ख़त्म हो गया है, so I will start using it, but currently using Livon one that was also gifted by Livon. So yeah, these are very good if you have curly hairs, frizzy hairs. So then I got these two are hyaluronic acid repair shampoo. So these are lavender. I am obsessed. Like these are so cute. I'll let you know. मैंने ये वाला shampoo use नहीं किया है, so I'll let you know how like shampoo. I'll let you know. Then I get a lot of supplements. So this is B12 supplement. So this is B12. So this is by Carbamate Ford. So yeah, this is the supplements. Then I got this organic trifla. So then मैंने बायोसॉफ्ट के साथ कोलैब किया था, so उसका ये जेल रखा है मेरे पास. This is pre-wax gel. Then I get a lot of ozone stuff. So ये ओजोन के गोल्डन किट हैं, ये 2-3 हैं, हो गई हैं मेरे पास. So it's very good actually. इससे बहुत फेस में डिफरेंस दिखता है. So I should take out some time and use it. देन ओजोन का ही मेरे पास ये है हाइड्रा स्किन क्लेंजर. सो इट्स अ क्लेंजर इन अ ऑयल फॉर्मेट. तो मैंने ऐसे क्लेंजर्स ट्राई नहीं किए हैं, तो आई डेफिनेटली लेट यू नो कि ये क्लेंजर कैसा है. मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं है. Then I have Mystic Living. This brand also I came to know from PR agencies. I am obsessed with their hair growth serum. So मुझे कभी भी opportunity मिलती है, I definitely buy this. I'll definitely try this. Okay, so this is by Mystic Living. If you are looking for a hair growth serum, you can try this. Then I have this mattifying gel moisturizer for oily combination skin. So summers हैं तो मैंने try कर लिया ये, because summers में मुझे भी यहाँ से ऑयल जोन से सीक्रेट होने लगा है. सो दिस इज स्किन इंस्पायर्ड. दिस ब्रांड इज लग्जरी यार. ये बहुत एक्सपेंसिव है. ऑन Amazon आई सॉ इट फॉर 900 रुपीज़ फॉर अ जेल मॉइस्चराइजर. सो आई डेफिनेटली लेट यू नो कि इसमें ऐसा क्या स्पेशल है. looks like it's for acne prone skin, so definitely I'll tell you. Then I have this Ozone Detan facial cleanser. So this is a cleanser. So मैंने ये ट्राई नहीं किया. आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग इट, मैंने इसका टेक्सचर देखा है, आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग इट टू बी गुड क्रैम क्लेंजर, बट मैंने ऐसे क्लेंजर ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं किए हैं. सो लेट मी जस्ट शो यू. सो यू हैव टू मसाज दिस फॉर अ लिटिल वाइल. सो इट्स लाइक ओजोन के बहुत फेशियल ट्रीटमेंट्स आते हैं, सो मे बी इट्स लाइक दैट. So I'll definitely let you know. Now I'm obsessed with Wishcare, so I got this Wishcare Underarm Roll-On Serum, and this is their lip balm. पहले उन्होंने मुझे रेड वाला लिप बाम सेंड किया था. ये कलरलेस है, तो आई थिंक मैं ये ज़्यादा यूज़ करूँगी, बट this lip balm is really good. And this underarm roll-on serum has 5% AHA, 3% kojic acid, hyaluronic acid, licorice, cica. Definitely need to try this. So yeah, मैं try करके बताऊंगी. I'm looking forward to trying it. Then another supplement, or what it is. This is vitamin E oil. So मैंने vitamin E oil कभी try नहीं किया. So I'll let you know. It's for skin, hair, stretch marks. Okay. So I'll definitely let you guys know. Then I got this moisturizer. This is by सी सोल. ये ब्रांड के बारे में भी मैंने कभी नहीं सुना. सो दिस इज सेज डीप सी मिनरल एंड बैक्टीरिया ऑस्ट्रेलिया. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑयल फ्री हाइड्रेटर. सो मैंने ये या डेफिनेटली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू ट्राई दिस वन. देन आई हैव वन मोर हेयर ग्रोथ सिरप. दिस इज बाय हेयर हार्मनी. सो this brand also I have never heard. So this is their revive and grow hair serum, obviously. So it has a very promising ingredient, so I'll let you know. I have seen visible difference with hair growth serum, so बहुत effective होती हैं ये. So I never miss a chance to get a hair serum. So then this Lashika brand, this is a good one. This is my second of their face wash. इन्होंने पहले भी मुझे सेंड किया था. So yeah, looking forward to try this out and I'll let you know. वो वाला भी मैंने ट्राई नहीं किया अभी तक. Now maybe I have 20-30 फेस वॉशेज़. बहुत ज़्यादा फेस वॉशेज़ आते हैं. आई थिंक फेस वॉश सबसे ज़्यादा लॉन्च होते होंगे. सो आई एम अज्यूमिंग द अमाउंट ऑफ फेस वॉशेज़ दैट आई गेट अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट. देन आई हैव अनदर फेस वॉश. ये तो मुझे बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स आए थे बाय दिस ब्रांड Torix. So they send a lot of stuff. So this is their Medicelic face wash. So enriched with jojoba, tea tree extracts. So I'll definitely let you guys know ये कैसा है. Okay, then I have this sunscreen. Now sunscreen, I have a drawer full with sunscreen. So I'm trying to figure out how to use them before they get expired. Let me know if you want a ranking video. I will rank them. So this is by V Johns. This is 1% hyaluronic acid vitamin C sunscreen. Oh my god, definitely then I have to try this. So really good and SPF 50. Non-greasy, no white cast, sweat resistance. Looking forward to try this. Then I think they have sent out this two of them, so if I remember. So this is rosemary water by Jovi's Herbal. Now Jovi's Herbal is a very good brand. Like I'm always impressed by them. इनका face wash इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा था. So this is their rosemary water, and my hair has been so much transform and better. Like मेरे हेयर क्वालिटी इतनी अच्छी हुई है यूजिंग ऑल दीज रोज़मेरी वाटर्स विच डिफरेंट ब्रांड्स सेंड मी ऑफ कोर्स. सो अलग अलग मैंने रोज़ वाटर ट्राई किए हैं एंड मिस्टिक लिविंग का तो मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा बार ट्राई कर लिया है. सो आई विश दे kept on sending me those for the entire lifetime. I really wish that. But okay, I'll let you know trying after trying this that ये वाला कैसा है. But if you want long hairs and that too good quality hairs, you can go for rosemary water. It is really effective. Then I have this Lakme sunscreen. This is their Lakme 9 to 5 Skin Perfect collection. Sun Expert Dry Matte Fluid. Okay, so this is dry matte fluid. I think मुझे ये अपने भाई को दे देना चाहिए because he go out sometime in sun. So matte, sunscreen is good for that. So yeah, I think I'll pass it on to him. मेरे पास और कोई है नहीं pass out करने के लिए. So but yeah, he can use this sunscreen and let me know how it is. Okay, then I have a luxury hair serum. This was so expensive. Like Amazon पे I saw it after discount. It was 1,000 rupees. Or I'll let you know the exact price point. And it came in this glass bottle. और मुझे बड़ा ध्यान से रखना पड़ रहा है इसे. So this is a hair serum. So it's definitely hair serums are good for that shine and frizz, less frizzy hair. So I'll let you know after trying this. Okay, then I have another sunscreen. This is Care Addict sunscreen. So this is skin inspired. This was 300-400 rupees. It's SPF 50 and all that, sweat and water resistance. So I'll definitely let you know like how is it. I think we should do a ranking system of with this sunscreens. Like I have a, as I said, drawer filled with sunscreen. Okay, then I have this facial kit. This is D10 facial cleanser. और इसमें ना काफ़ी सारे cleansers हैं, the cream cleansers in this format, pouch format. So it's interesting concept actually. So I'll let you know. मैंने ये cleanser कभी try नहीं किया. How is it? I'll definitely let you know. Then I have this Dot & Key का moisturizer. This is Strawberry Dew Do It All moisturizer. It has niacinamide and peptide. So niacinamide is one ingredient that I love. इसको तो मेरी vanity में होना चाहिए. Look at it. So pretty. Like the packaging is so good. So मैंने ये try नहीं किया है. I think I have just swatched it on my palm and it was good. Then I have this another rose water. ये वाला rose water अभी मैं use कर रही हूँ. Mystic Living का है ये. So as I said, this brand sent me a lot of this. So I wish ये मुझे हमेशा मिलता रहे. So this is good for your hairs and scalp. I do agree. मुझे कम itchiness होती, पहले मुझे बहुत itchiness होती थी. Now I don't do that. So all thanks to rosemary water. Another product by Mozi. So Mozi products I love, and this is their on the fly high finish stick. Like I love these sticks और मैं तो इन्हें eyebrow के लिए use करती हूँ. I don't have that much flyaways anyways, तो मैं तो इन्हें eyebrow product की तरह use करती हूँ. Let me just show you. तो मैं already एक brand ने मुझे ENN so I don't know how to pronounce their name. So मैंने review किया था. So I have tried it. They have just sent. तो वो मैं रोज़ यूज़ करती हूँ. आई यूज दिस रिलीजियसली. मेरे हमेशा वैनिटी के टॉप पे रहता है. सो आई नो कि मैं ये ब्राउ जेल कितना यूज़ करने वाली हूँ. आई यूज़ देम एज अ ब्राउ जेल एंड आई डोंट प्रिफर टिंटेड ब्राउ जेल बिकॉज ये ना बहुत अच्छा वर्क करती हैं एंड I can recommend it to you guys, right? So a clear transparent brow gel can be used by anyone. So look at it. Definitely I'm going to use it as a brow gel. बहुत सही दिख रहा है यार ये. So definitely I'm excited for this one. Okay, then I have another of this rosemary water. Yeah, I have two more. So Mystic Living just kept on sending me this, and this is एक्ने रिड्यूस स्पॉट करेक्टर. सो मुझे अभी एक एक्ने आ गया है, पता नहीं दिख रहा है कि नहीं. और एंड आई एम सॉरी, नेचुरल लाइट में फिल्म करने का यही ड्रॉबैक है. द लाइट इज़ गोइंग, सो मे बी आई शुड जस्ट यूज़ अ कर्टन. या लेट मी जस्ट यूज़ अ कर्टन. ओके, सो दिस इज़ बाय Novology. So this brand has sent me this acne reduce spot corrector. So it has 0.1% thymol and trypanol. Okay, so I'll let you guys know how is it. मैंने अभी तक try नहीं किया है. Then I have these two. Oh my god, these two no scar day cream. These are good. These I have tried. Good. If you have pigmentation, right, you should try it. It's good. Okay, now I'm going to quickly talk about these pain relieving oil things, and I love them. So this is a pain relieving oil. This is by Torix. तो उनने मुझे send किया था. Then ये pain relieving oil kiwi का है. It's very good. It's by Quick. It's very good. Tried it. And this is my obsession. If you have cramps, period cramps, you can try this. So यार ये तो बहुत effective है. It's very strong, so I will recommend you to take less, but it's very effective for pain relieving. Like you can instantly feel relief. So like ये तो मैं repurchase करूँगी. I wish I would have done many collaborations with them. मैंने इनका एक ही collaboration accept किया था, and I should have accepted all of their collaboration because ये product बहुत useful है. Okay, then I have another supplement. This is omega 3 fish oil supplement. So I give this to my parents. Even I can use it. So this is really good for the joint things and all. The tree is really good for a lot of reason. Fish oil is good for metabolism also, if I remember. So both skin health, heart health, joint health, everything. So yeah, this is good. Maybe the last product. Yeah, this is the last. This is rosemary oil by Mystic Living. So this is also by Mystic Living. Okay, I quickly mention you this Bake Beauty products. So I was filming a review video anyways, so let me just talk about this. Is their rosemary water. So this is by Bake Beauty. I have used it. It's good. And this is their sunscreen. This is Bake Beauty 2% multi-peptide tinted sunscreen gel, and when it's good. So थोड़ा सा ना you have to keep on pumping. अब तो ये अच्छे से आ रहा है, बस स्टार्टिंग में बहुत दिक्कत हो रही थी. पम्प पैकेजिंग है इसकी. So this is SPF 70 PA+++. I was shook by the SPF. इतना SPF चाहिए भी रहता है क्या? Yeah, so I have to check like is it beneficial or not. So the fun thing I noticed, it's a very good gel sunscreen. It just melts on your skin. थोड़ा सा स्टार्टिंग में ऐसा लगता है कि क्या वाइट है, बट लुक एट इट, इट्स सो गुड. लाइक ये ग्लोई भी दिख रहा है, बट ये थोड़ा सा मैट ही लग रहा है मुझे. मतलब द फिनिश इज ग्लोई. माई स्किन इज ग्लोइंग in camera, in person, but it's matte. It's not chipa. So this is good stuff. Like I was instantly impressed by this, and yeah, it's a very good product. I will highly recommend you. Then have their kojic acid and blueberry body wash. Oh my god, so good. You should watch my this video which is dedicated to all these 4 products. But yeah, this is good for dark spot and hyperpigmentation. Good stuff. I've tried this face body wash. It was good. It lathers, and I love body wash with lathers and cleanses, like deep cleanse. It does that, and it has blueberry, so it has that color. It's look intriguing क्योंकि मुझे जो ना ज़्यादातर shower gels use करने की आदत. When I tried it, I was like, हाँ, इसका color है blueberry जैसा. So it's good for pigmentation and all, and I'll definitely update you about the pigmentation part. But cleansing, if I have to rate the functionality, yeah, it cleanses, deep cleanses the skin. Okay, then I have the last product. This is their Bake Beauty 2% kojic acid alpha arbutinol face wash. So this is their face wash, and I have tried it. This is so good. It just cleanses your skin, deep cleanses, and it does not strip out the moisture. I'll recommend you. This is good. So if you are looking for a kojic acid face wash, you guys know how much I recommend kojic acid, because it has literally reduced the pigmentation of me and my mother. Like मुझे इतनी pigmentation नहीं है, but on my mom I've seen visible difference with kojic acid. So if you are suffering for pigmentation, you should use it, and I have suggested to one of my didi. She also saw a difference, so I can vouch for it. Go for kojic acid if you are suffering from pigmentation. Maybe we can talk about it in a different video, but yeah, I'm super impressed by all these Bake Beauty products. Like they look good, दे आर गुड. लाइक मुझे लग रहा था पैकेजिंग ही अच्छी होगी क्या. दीज आर वेरी प्रोडक्ट्स. सो बेक ब्यूटी, I'm impressed by their products, so really good range. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I tried to show you everything. I don't know कितना बड़ा ये video होगा. I will just show you maybe in 3 minutes, and if you want to watch the long form, you can go to YouTube. Definitely watch the long form video, because 3 minute में मैं क्या ही बोल सकती हूँ. So that's that. So I hope you like this video, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.